Go for it. Turn your body down. Go to the right foot. Go to the left foot.
Yo, man, it's a lot of
Moving off to the left. Go to the left foot.
Yo, man, it's a lot of brothers out there flaking and perpetrating and scared to kick reality.
We've been doing all this dope producing.
Hey!
You guys done? You guys get it here? You gotta go backwards, roll. Keep my chin down, keep those hands up. Alright, so it's the same thing. So when I go to the left, I don't move. I just move over. When I go to the right, I move back. So I'm right here the whole time. Alright, ready? You gotta start right there.